Want to convert scanned documents into searchable and editable text? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Scan and OCR feature in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC quickly and easily. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer and sign in if required. Go to Recent Files and open the scanned document or image file you want to convert. Once the file is open, click Convert from the top Tools menu. In the left panel, select Scan and OCR, then choose Enhance Scanned File. Select all pages to apply OCR to the entire document. You can open settings to adjust quality if needed, then confirm your selection. Click Enhance to start the OCR process. Adobe Acrobat will process the file and convert the scanned content into searchable and editable text. Once finished, save your document to keep the changes. And that's it. You've successfully used Scan and OCR in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.